Hi everyone, we're going to solve each equation by factoring. So the first one, let's go ahead and factor it. Let's see what we have. We have negative 130, multiply two numbers that give you negative 30, but when you combine them, you get 3. So I think that's going to be 10 and 13, and we need a positive 3. So the 10 is going to be negative, and the 13 is going to be positive. So now we can factor this as x minus 10 times x plus 13 equals 0. Now we're going to use a zero product property, so that means let's solve for each of these. This gives us x equals 10, and for this one we get x plus 13 equals 0, therefore x equals negative 13. Now all that means is that when you plug in 10, you're going to get 0 here and 23 here. So 23 times 0 is 0. That's what this says. And then if you, similarly, if you plug in negative 13, you're going to get negative 23 times 0, which is 0. So you always want to put or here because it means it's or. So x equals 10 or x equals negative 13. So let's look at the next problem. Let's rewrite it and move this guy over so we can factor. So we have x squared minus 12x plus 36 equals 0. You're adding 36 to both sides. So we need a positive 36 and a negative 12. This is actually a perfect square trinomial because 6 plus 6 is 12, but 6 times 6 is 36. So it's going to be 6 and 6, but since it's negative 12, they're both negative. All right, so let's write that out. So we have x minus 6 times x minus 6. So basically we have one solution. We set this to equal 0, so x equals 6. Means if I plug in 6 in both of these, I get 0. So we only have one solution. You can also write this as x minus 6 squared equals 0. All right, the next one. Oh, we did this one, so now we're going to do this one. I skipped one. All right, let's do that one. Whoops. Nope, I got it right. I did them both. This is another thing I wanted to do. So, for example, we had 36, and I think we had negative 130. What you can do is you can go to y equals and type in 36 divided by x, or we could have typed in inputted 130 divided by x, and that helps you find your factors. And it makes it a lot easier to find the factors if you're having problems with that. So I just wanted to show you that. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.